Okay, if you remember, I bought a used 545, and it had some issues. So I got a new side cover. I'll show you what the old one looks like. She got hot. She got really hot. And I got a new worm gear. I bought all this from Sawagain. Here's the old worm gear. And I got a new clutch. Yeah. Yeah. Brand new. I'll show you the old clutch, which I could have ordered this, the springs. This thing don't come apart with me, but I figured it needed a whole new clutch. You can tell your clutch is shot when it does that. Should be able to. It should be, you know, tight. It shouldn't do that. So we are going to see if we can get this saw running today. Well, the saw runs. See if we get it cut. Now let's put a worm gear in here. Like that. Let's grease the bearing here. I like this steel grease. It kind of, this is made for weed eaters, but it sticks really good. And then you have a spacer goes in there. Now, this air filter cover, it's broke too, but I didn't order that. I didn't spend enough money. Didn't spend enough money on this saw. I picked this saw up for $150, and I thought I got a good deal until I got the price and parts. Let's go ahead and grease this. Yeah, when I priced parts, it was quite expensive. I think this was $110. I could get it a little bit cheaper somewhere else, and I could get the clutch a little cheaper somewhere else, and all that stuff, but nobody had everything in stock all in one place. So by the time I paid shipping, I was gonna be paying more. So Sawagain had everything in stock, so I ordered it all from them. Slide the chain out here. There we go. We just need to make sure it's oiling now. And I'm going to give this chain a sharpen it. Okay, I figured out the oiling on it. The saw looks like it's been pinched or something. You can tell that AV spring right there is pulled a little bit. And what it did, it pulled the oil line loose from the tank right up there. So got that back on there, and it oil's good now. Okay, as I was, seems like it's never gonna end with this thing. I did realize it had the wrong bar and chain on it, so I had to go get another bar and chain. So basically, I got as much in this saw as I would have had if I went and bought a brand new one. It is what it is, I guess.
Hello, YouTube family.
You're messing up my video.
Keep it on there. Make it interesting.
You're messing it away.
Make it interesting.
I gave $150 for the saw. Side cover, new clutch, and the worm gear for the oiler was $180. And then the new bar and chain was $60. That's much better. Okay, it's working good now. I kind of had to bite the bullet on this one. Yeah, I shouldn't have never bought it. But what started this whole thing was it must have got smashed. You can tell that AV mount is a little torqued there, and it pulled the oil line loose, and that's when it burned everything up because they didn't stop with it. But running good now. On the next. Thanks for watching.